Alright guys, making another video on Elementor, another awesome feature that really helped me out a lot. Uh, I haven't actually been using them for that long. I've actually came across them maybe 3 years ago. My teacher put me on them. I was so thankful for running into them because boy, did they make my life easier. Um, Elementor is super cool in that they will essentially allow you to build any kind of website, whatever type of website you need. They have a theme that's automatically um, designed that you could just grab and edit to create into your own business, which that's a big deal. So I guess this video is really more for like developers, web developers. Um, it's not for, I guess, non-developers, I should say. Well, I guess it's for everybody because it just makes Elementor, its drag and drop features makes it pretty much universal as far as user friendliness. Um, yeah, I'll give you guys like a little sample of how Elementor works. So this is one of my websites right here, and you can see that when you want to create a page, I'll show you why Elementor is super awesome. So like let's say we're gonna create a page right here. Okay. I'm gonna click add new. It's a little slow. Alright, and then you would just hit edit with Elementor. And that's, man, um, that really makes it very easy for you to basically create any kind of page according to your own desire. So when you get this box open right here, so let's say you're a restaurant and you need a website that needs to be launched immediately. So you can see all these pages had already been created for you. That all you need to do is just grab one that remotely applies to your to what you're looking for. So we're saying you're a restaurant and you're looking for, let's say, the home page. So you're just going to type restaurant. Okay, so you can see, oh man, there's actually a bunch of options. If you're, I mean, this is for like the free version of Elementor, and Elementor is really not, it's super cheap. I think for the pro version it's only 50 for the whole year, which is extremely cheap. So let's say you're just using the free version, so you can grab this right here and and just give it a second to load. And once that load, the drag and drop feature allows you to edit by just dragging and dropping. See, you can change, anything, the logo, the colors, um, dimensions. You can adjust everything, the style. You can adjust the padding. You can go into advanced. I mean, it just, you can do everything. Border positioning. You can see. You can add scripts. Um, like it's not too many. There aren't too much features out there that do this for you. While also um, while also using your own database. I think the only other features you could get that's this easy if you use like Squarespace or Wix or one of those type of uh, websites, but that's not your own database. This is your own database, and this app, this plugin right here, Elementor, allows you to do all of that. So when you start building a website, you will realize how much of a big deal that is. Um, so again, like it's really easy. You could, like everything is just like just a click. You don't really have to do much coding. Um, you can go here. You can add. There's blocks. Like all these have you know about. It's all pre-populated for you. You can literally have a website done in one day. Everything you need. This are for like blog posts. Really nice blog posts. You can see that. Um, Everything. Products. They even got if you want to go like heavy duty, they got like even nicer templates like for businesses that need um, advanced sophisticated themes. You could get it through here. And the crazy thing is just the how cheap it is, like the price, for what you're getting. It's the benefits. It's just unreal. Like you can see here, I'm only paying $49 for the whole year, and look at all the things you can do. There aren't there's not much stuff out there. If it wasn't for something like this, you would have to pretty much do a lot of the back end coding yourself. So that's why that's a big deal. You know. Um, I'm trying to think what else is really cool about Elementor that I kind of slipped my mind. I actually thought about it and I just lost it. I'm sorry. If it comes back to me, maybe I'll make another video or something. But um, yeah, so Elementor, man, Elementor is so cool. Um, it's really all you need to grab if you're building a website. Like, so let's go back to my website. See here. So this is all I use to build all the websites, and I've built thousands of websites. I wish I would have known about Elementor sooner, but hey, you live, you learn, and hopefully this video is gonna help somebody, so they don't have to go through what I went through. Um, what else is cool about Elementor? It's also very very compatible with WooCommerce. So if you needed a shopping cart for your business, or you needed a button for customers would need to make purchases, um, you could create products using WooCommerce. That's it's very compatible with Elementor, the Elementor theme. And Elementor theme is also universal, so you could cross use it with other themes. Like you can see right here, this was like my older theme, but it's still running using the Elementor. So I really got like 3, 4, 5 different themes running on the same website, and they're all complementing each other without much conflict, which is very rare. Um, and one of these days, I'm gonna talk to you guys about this guy right here. It's really cool, but you can see that it's compatible with Elementor. There's also, after this video, I'm gonna have to make a video about Embottle Market for you guys too, because that's also another awesome app that's also free. It's got a lot of tons of free themes. I think I'll make a video about that maybe next week, so you guys can learn how to use it. Um, Let me see how much time I got here. Oh yeah, that's what I figured. All right, thank you.